Hey, today I want to talk about a question that comes up occasionally, which is whether you need to hire an attorney if you've been involved in a car crash. The answer is it depends. If you are a loved one or injured in a car accident, you should definitely consider hiring an attorney. There are studies out there, including by the insurance industry, that show that people that hire attorneys recover 2 to 2.5 times more in their pocket on average after attorney's fees and expenses than those who do not. If you do not have injuries and you're sure that you don't, you probably don't need to hire an attorney. Unless there's some dispute about who's at fault and the other party is pointing the finger at you, or you did have to go to the hospital, but you have not had any sort of treatment after that, but your hospital bills have not been paid, for example, by health insurance or Medicare, you might consider hiring an attorney in that scenario. But if you have no injuries or your injuries are relatively minor, you probably don't need an attorney. However, I will say that with one caveat. I've seen many situations where people have come to us who initially did not think that they were hurt or that their loved one was hurt, and thought they may just be banged up, and then after several weeks or even months, their symptoms worsened and they ended up having to get additional treatment. That does happen, and because of that, I would caution you not to accept any offers to settle your bodily injury case within weeks or months of the crash. A lot of times you just don't know the full extent of your injuries. So the good news is you can always consult with an attorney after a car crash if you think your loved one may be injured. Consultations should be free. You don't have to hire that attorney. And at the end of the day, if you don't end up hiring that attorney, you'll at the very least be better informed and understand the process.